What's up guys, it's your boy Ridwan from RdnRacing. So now we have got D Model in the house. So D Model is actually a Taiwanese brand. We've got Jack here with us and he's going to show us the work that D Model do. And trust me guys, you are not going to be disappointed. There's a lot of amazing work that they do. So yeah, I'm going to let Jack take the time and he's going to show you his Malaysian Diecast Expo special, which is this. So Jack, what is the car and tell me more about it.
Hi guys, we are D Model. We are a company, a brand based in Taiwan, and we do customized rim. And you can see all the details and the beautiful rims that we made. This is just one of them. We have several. We have all kinds of different cool rims. And we also do custom paint job and we do personalized orders. So if you wanna like mail us the photo of your car and we can make it a real miniature of your own car. And here, this is the exclusive car for this event for the MDX 2023, and this is a rough CTR. And also on this side we have a Mazda Miata MX-5. It's a pretty cool car. If you are a fan of JDM, you will love this. And I love this piece. It's so cute. It's so tiny. And if you check out the rim, damn, all these details. Can you believe that? So we do a lot of like nitty-gritty, like very neat details rim and paint job. If you like us, you can follow us on Instagram and Facebook fan page. Just search D Model, you'll find us.
Alright, so that was Jack from D Model. And then just before we end off this portion, I want to show you guys the GTR right here, because you guys gotta see the wheels on this. Really look at that offset, man. Magnificently done. Obviously we've got this as well. I think it's an Audi, and you guys can see the little stroller right there. And then we've got a BMW as well. And the reason why you can actually see this is the interior details on it. It's amazing, phenomenally done. They've got a bunch of cars here. So guys, do check out D Model. You can find them on Facebook.
Yeah.
And if you ever want to get your own customized miniature cars of your own car model, you can check them out as well.
Or if you like mouse.
Or so he's got a YouTube channel as well, but he does magic. So I'll put a link in the description. Do check him out as well. But yeah, from here we're gonna continue exploring the Expo. This is day 2. I came here yesterday as well, you guys saw that. But yeah, we're gonna continue exploring and I'll see you guys in a bit. Now here we've got Dream Customs. Obviously you guys know it's based in Singapore. We're amazing friends. So first things first, we're gonna let him do the talking. We're not gonna interrupt him. And I believe there's a MDX special, so he's gonna talk about his products.
Hey guys, welcome to Dream Customs. So right here we have our desktop dioramas. We're the pioneer for desktop dioramas, which is actually a mousepad, and also a diecast diorama, which is dedicated for 164 diecast. And right here today we have the Malaysia Diecast Expo exclusive, which is limited to the 99 piece. This is actually, fun fact, this is actually a street right across Tropicana Gardens, which is the event that is held right here in Malaysia. And we also just launched our Liberty Walk, which have official licensed product from Liberty Walk. Yeah, so come on down to Malaysia Diecast Expo if you haven't yet. See you here.
So amazing, and for obviously our Singaporean audience, if you guys do not know, he's also on Shopee. Best thing ever, honestly.
Yeah.
So do check. I'll try to put a link in the description as well. You guys check it out. It's an amazing guy. And yeah, so from here we're actually gonna go continue to explore. We've got 64, we've got Pop Race as well. And right across, Dream Customs, like you guys saw, we've got Dil Sre Collections as well. If you guys remember Dil Sre, you guys remember the exclusive with Johnny Lightning. Obviously we've got one in the channel as well. And then they've got a bunch of Johnny Lightnings here. You guys can check them out in any events in Singapore, honestly. You guys remember we met them at the Geylang event, and then at the Singapore Expo last year as well. We've got more Johnny Lightning here, obviously the ones with the golf liveries. I know you guys are a lot of golf friends out there as well. And then Hot Wheels ID. I know there's a little group of you, you guys like your IDs. So we've got a bunch of IDs here as well. And then obviously the Auto Walls. You guys saw I got the Jeep yesterday. Got the Jeep from here. But we've got a bunch of Auto Walls. So yeah, let me know in the comments if you guys like Auto Walls or if you guys like Johnny Lightning. Check them out, guys. Amazingly done. And obviously we've got the boss himself right there.
The boss is not actually.
No worries at all, no worries up. So yeah, let me know in the comments. I'll also put the socials in the description below, their Facebook I believe, so you can always check them out. And before we end, I want to show you the chase piece for the Johnny Lightning in an all white paint job with the white wheels. Always an amazing thing to see. But yeah, from here we're gonna carry on, and from there we are gonna make our way here to Era Cars. We've got Alex from Era, and he's gonna show us the cars that he has for this event. So yeah, Alex, do tell me a bit more about the cars you have.
Yeah, so today Malaysia have something discount our brand, and they have a very good promotion in here. Maybe you have time, you can go to our brand and visit.
Right, so do you have any social medias that we can always visit? Are you on social medias?
Yeah.
Right, so don't worry guys, I'll put a link for this in the description below as well. But yeah, just to give you guys a rough overview, they've got everything from your 6x6 to your G-Wagons. You've got Jimneys as well, a lot of GTRs. You've got ambulances right there guys, check it out.
This is a Hong Kong ambulance.
So these are, so like Alex says, those are the Hong Kong ambulances.
Yes, Hong Kong brand, so have a Hong Kong ambulance. Yeah.
And look at the engine bay. Obviously, I believe this is a Mercedes Sprinter, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, that's a Mercedes Sprinter, and yeah, really amazing, guys. The details, even for the GTR over there, the engine bay, amazing. So if you guys always want to check out Era Cars, they're a Hong Kong-based brand. You guys can check out the description below. And from here, we're gonna carry on. Now we are at Pop Racer's booth right here. Brilliant, guys. So they have got a few different lineups for this event. Firstly, we've got the two Vioses, which amazingly it's this. And that Vios right there, you guys know this, it's been an event in Malaysia, so this is autographed, very special piece. I've got mine yesterday. They're all autographed, amazing prices for them. We've got a GR Yaris. You guys know we did a video on the Yaris recently, right? We've got the BRZ right here, another BRZ. We've got the Stinger Targa, and the one that a lot of you guys seem to like, the GTR R34 Stegia. So yeah, so this is Pop Race. A brilliant model. They're up and coming, very nice. I managed to speak to a few of them over here, and they were really very enthusiastic. They explained to me everything. So what really caught my attention is this future models, guys, and they have got a few. So obviously you guys can see we've got a GTR at the back. You guys have a GTRs. We've got the Civic. We've got all of these. And fun fact, this Porsche right here is gonna come in purple carbon fiber, so stay tuned for that. Really amazing. So hopefully we are going to try to link up with Pop Race. We're going to see if they can hook us up with more cars in the future to do unboxing and reviews. But yeah, from here we are left, I believe you're left with a few more guys, and from there we're going to head on out. And before that, you guys look at this. You guys know we got a 1:64 scale of this. This is the 1:1. Brilliantly amazing, guys. Obviously we've got Gabriel right there. Brilliant cars, just check it out. So we've got there and there. But yeah, so this is Pop Race. We're done with them. From here we are going to continue. So we've got our final spoils of the day, but I just want to give a massive shout out to DrifterD, my boy. It's been amazing. It's a dream come true, guys.
Yeah, man.
So we met him yesterday. I'm going to put a link to his channel. I'm going to appear in his vlog as well, right?
Yes.
And I'm super excited about that. We've got Gabriel as well. You guys know him. He's an amazing customizer. And we've got Jordan from Diecast. And guys, the hustle, it's real right here. Look at that. All the Z-tunes, and it's two boxes there. We've got another box in our bag. We've got the man, the legend, Jordan from Diecast SG. He's gonna go buy more. So, and then we've got Gabriel again. You guys know him. I'm gonna put a link to his Instagram in the description below. We've got DrifterD, amazing. So this wraps up my 2 days here in KL. This amazing event. And from there we actually made our way back home to Singapore. So this actually was an amazing trip. Obviously this content, or this type of content, is actually entirely very brand new. Let me know in the comments below how I can improve. But just like that, guys, I had a lot of fun. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.